Alright guys, I know it's been a while since we've done a video for the poor boys. You probably just saw a bunch of crashes. I have been running, but we're now at the point where we're doing a final push, and it's time to retire this guy and go over to this guy. It is a J Concepts, but it's a TAMIYA remake, so hopefully that nobody cares. It's what I got, so that's what I'm using. After this, you'll see my last run, first 3S, and the GPS went nuts, and I broke some pieces. And that's my second dog bone, so that'll just be after that. No new speed changes, but we're gonna be getting out with this girl this week, maybe even tonight. I'm gonna probably run it on my road right out here, and we're gonna go 3S and see where we go. So I know it's it's been a bit, but I've been here. I'll see you when I see you, and I hope you enjoy my little actually, let's see what's under the hood first before we go anywhere. So hold on a second. Set you down. So you see, it's pretty clean. The only thing I've got are some extenders. I put new extenders on the back, and I'm using TL-01 front suspension. And TL-01 is actually the same as the TT-02 for the dog bone size. So I was able to steal my TT-02 dog bone for the back when I just broke it. And we're gonna try and get it out. We got 120 amp surpass hobby, and we're hoping to get this 7700 surpass rocket really going, because I have not gotten a full pull on it yet, especially with 3S. And we're testing out our new Dumbo. It's got the gyro in it. Now my advice for that, if you guys, you set your gyro on half and then you reduce your dual rate till it's comfortable. Use your dual rate for your jerkiness, because that's what makes those things go wing. You know, like the gyro has too much movement, too much compensation. Anyways, that's my opinion. You guys might find it yours acts different, but that's the way mine goes. And we'll get out there. You'll see our last run by the end of the week. End of next week, and then we'll see where we go. Well, it might not be our last run, but we'll see. Thanks Phil for all the fun. And this has been a great time, and check out all the guys. A lot of you guys I met through this last year, and I want to thank my sponsors, Winter's Evening, for the ceramic bearings that we're going in there. And again, we're pretty stock. We're not doing anything crazy. We do have a ludicrous speed, but you know, everybody's doing that nowadays. So and yeah. And also URGENEX, they're the one, they've been taking care of us for the batteries on this run. So I'll see you when I see you guys. Bye. Alright, it's for our midnight run. See, we're at 0 or 0.1. That's our max.
Duct tape this time.
Yeah, I'm not losing it this time. So we'll be surprised when we're all done. We'll see how we do. I'm not losing this.
You only lose it when you crash it.
I know. Ah!
Right into the curve.
I know. No, I just turned it. It's still good. I did learn that. I'm learning more. Man!
You should go, you should go. It's cool.
Back one more time.
It's a great.
Manhole right there. All right, we'll call it right there. Actually, let's give it one more pull.
Right next to a manhole.
I know.
Oh, something popped. Does that tire? Stop driving it. Something flew off of it. Or it did something.
I think I did lose the wheel.
Yeah?
Yeah, I lost the back wheel. It snapped it right off. Look at that. It snapped the whole part off. That's crazy. Oh, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Looks like we're gonna have to do some repairs there. 32 miles an hour. 32 miles an hour. Somehow, that doesn't seem right.
Did it get paused? Like, it must have gotten paused when it flipped.
It says pause.
It got paused when it flipped. That's why you need to go. You need to tape it to the inside of the car.
Okay, well that was done. So that was another fail. Well, we're gonna be switching over to a new body, but you see our nice winter's even bearings. And we lost the wheel. Turn this off. But not a bad run. First time on 3S, but I know we did more than 32, so that was a technical. That was definitely more than 32.
Yeah. At least 50.
That's what I'm guessing. Is what it felt like. So maybe I need a new GPS. But it snapped right off in there. It's the actual axle, not the bolt. That's crazy. Anyway, like and subscribe, guys.